In this video, I'm going to teach you all the tricks about percent and how that relates to dollars. So if we have a problem like this that says $80 is what percent of 24? So that's what we need to try to find. So I am going to teach you two methods on how to do this. Okay, so the first method is we're going to use a proportion to find the answer. So we know the part over the whole equals the percent over 100. And remember, a percent is one part out of 100. We know that the part is 24 that we're trying to find, $24, and the whole is $80. And the percent is what we're trying to find. We know a percent is a number over 100. So the whole is $80, the part is $24. So let's plug that into our equation here, our proportion. So 24 over 80 equals percent over 100. So we solve for the unknown percent. So we multiply both sides by 100 to get percent on its own. Here, percent is being divided by 100. The opposite operation of divide by 100 is multiply by 100. And we have to do that to both sides of the equation. So these hundreds cross out. They cancel each other out because they're one on top of each other. So now we're left with percent equals 2400 over 80. We know that multiplying 24 by 100, you just add on 2 zeros to the 24, and that gives you 2400. So this is what we're left with. So percent is now isolated. So now we can just calculate 2400 over 80, and the percent equals 30%. So $80 is 30% of 24. Now let's do another method. Method 2. We use an equation to do that calculation. And the equation is the part equals the percentage of the whole. And we know parts of this equation. We know the part is 24. We know percentage is percent over 100. And we know the whole is 80. Of whole means multiplication. Of always usually means multiplication times 80. To isolate percent, divide both sides by 80. Okay, so we're trying to get rid of the 80 there. And we do it to both sides. So these cancel out, and now we're left with percent over 100 equals 24 over 80. Now we need to get percent totally on its own. So we're going to multiply both sides by 100. Because percent is being divided by 100 here, the opposite of divide by 100 is multiply by 100. And you do that to both sides of the equation. Okay? So the hundreds here cancel out, and then we're left with percent equals 2400 over 80. And that's exactly the same as this. So we know when you calculate this out, percent equals 30%. And that's all there is to that problem. Don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that will take you right to this video. You can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that are similar to this if you need extra help. And please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.